Hey guys, today GeekFi is watching with you the trading analysis and portfolio insights here. So welcome on DeFi channel. We're broadcasting over the largest crypto platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Huobi, Gate.io and Binance Live. So guys, we're here and we're just welcome you guys. And actually before the holidays I wanted to make some new insights, just make some new instruments and share with you my results actually within these months and within this year. But actually for the bigger results I will discover it with you, I believe, in the start of the year, because we will need to take all the numbers in one place and see what was okay, what was actually not okay, and that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. And I see a lot of people here. So hello Deeps, I saw Bella, so we have some troubles within the YouTube a little bit. The link has been changing, I believe. People will come back here. So I see 985, Angeluk and Afra. Hello guys, visitor on the Gate and on HTX, and hello everyone. Hello, how are we doing today? So today we're gonna make a lot of speaking, less gaming, I believe. So we will not game today, and I will speak within the actually within the my folio, and how is it to maximize your profits within the staking or within the swing trading. So I will show you guys how I do this, what I'm doing, and what are the results. So of course we're low bunkers here, and actually I will show the first episode of our show and the last one. So we called them $5 CryptoPumper show, just because we're investing $5 daily, usually in some altcoins and some main coins, just to make guys, so to, I would say, to raise a habit in you guys, and to make the investments daily or weekly, so you can define your amount of money and your period you will invest in. But so you need to be disciplined and do this every day guys, or every week or every period, so with no exclusions, until you are just fitting your strategy. So we're fitting our strategy here. By the way, if you, oh, hello Bella, hello June, haven't seen you for ages. So if you just join us, so guys, I must remind you that we are just broadcasting everywhere in the sphere, but actually the first comments I'm reading, of course, on the YouTube, on our DeFi channel, when you can see all over our videos and every stuff, and of course in my corner, so we can meet you here guys. And if you want to read more than to watch, of course, we're welcoming you in our square. We're just announcing everything and posting some interesting news and announcements as well. And of course guys, short announcements this Friday, so tomorrow we will have an exclusive show on HTX live with Darko, and I believe Rude will join us, and some two more guys. So I will tweet I believe today or tomorrow in the morning, but in our Telegram channel you can find these announcements, I suppose, as well. So there should be some of the drops there, and I believe you can win some awesome prizes. Okay, so by the way guys, what are you doing on this Christmas time? So are you taking some campaigns, maybe drops or something? So just share in the chat what do you usually do, because I see a lot of activities be on the Twitter, be on the crypto space, but actually I haven't so much time to participate in all of this. So guys, if you will help me, I will do this with you in the recent days. So just share your favorites and we will overview them, maybe help you to reach out how to do the tasks, for example. Okay, so just a brief story here. So we began to form the portfolio from 5th of April and making for $5 a day, but we stopped filling the portfolio in December. But guys, it doesn't mean that we haven't stopped trading, we haven't stopped investing, so we haven't stopped just to buy coins, and for two reasons. First of all, the first reason is that Bitcoin has reached actually 32,000. So we've told you guys that we will not, so we will redefine our strategy on this mark. So right now I've just put 200 here, right? So 200. So if you will calculate that $5 a day, it's $150. So right now we have 200 in reserve, because we will see and we will look how to use them. And actually they're not just sitting there. So I showed you before, we are using automate trades in the major exchanges called blockchain educational.io. So you can see here and teach here how to trade, so to see live sessions there, and of course they have some trading instruments. So I will show you right now my Pillion, and we will see how it's working or not. But actually what's interesting here is that we still have two coins which I insist, guys, you need to have in your follow. The first one, of course, is Matic, Polygon Matic, and look at this. From the April, it's still minus 30%. Of course, we've bought, I believe, in some better times the Polygon, right? So in this matter it's on plus. So I'm just making the DCA strategy, dollar cost origin strategy, and buying some coins within the some period of time. But actually, guys, if you will so you can see that it raised on 30% in terms of the October meetings. But because it was very low on there. But guys, if you compare the Bitcoin price within the April and Polygon price within the April, you can see the drastic difference. So what you can do right now, so if you believe in Polygon, so and for example, if I had $100 in Bitcoin in April, so I can sell them, for example, for 115 and buy even more Polygon Matics in terms that I believe that Matic will, of course, pumped up when the altcoin season will come. And I believe some of the news I will share today will provide you the same opinion here. So, okay. So just share your opinion about the Christmas drops and everything. So are you participating in some? What are you doing? What is your main activities right now? Trading, maybe staking, maybe just celebrating. So just leave the comments in YouTube or in HTX or in Gate.io, whatever. So I will read them because I'm reading everything today. Okay. What about the Bitcoin price today? So you have seen that I've drawn these lines several days ago, guys. Look at this, they're going just we've been predicted, right? So they're just moving up within this corridor, and it's moved up to this level, and right now we can expect that it can be a little bit going down. But still, this is not the end, actually, guys. And we cannot expect the few lines of this, right? So possibly in January we will see something crazy will be coming up here, and we will see. But you can see that the difference is quite huge, so you can trade, you can get some money on the swing trades, on the short trades, and so on. But of course, guys, you need to understand that there are a lot of liquidations, right, in Bitcoin because of the futures. So it's risky. So that's why I do not recommend, if you're just forming the portfolio, go into the futures trading. So take a separate budget on this and try to win there, actually, right? So you need to diversify your strategy. So put the folio via the folios, and do not take money from your folio money to trading and for some reasons, right? Okay. So moving next, guys, speaking up with the trading. So I've told you that we've put some investments here in the blockchaineducation.com.io. So we're making the 4 streams for $200, and right now I can show you on the example of for example Binance. So we have the same stats on the HTX and everywhere. So we've put something like 1000 USDTs there, but actually so how to actually count your PLN and how count your profits when you're operating crypto, because you want to you know, guys, you want to operate in crypto within the for example USDT or dollar based stuff, right? So you want to do this, and when it's the bull pattern goes into the market, you cannot define how to get your profit. So because you're not trading, for example, you can just hold, for example, 1000k on your Bitcoin account, and Bitcoin just raised up, for example, for 20%, so, or for example for 50% or something. So how you can, you know, see the difference between your profits? Is it really your profits? Is it your, you know, balance is growing, or you are just good at trading? So usually I'm taking the cumulative P&L, right? So but I do not look at the 7 days. I'm just looking for the 30 days just to see how it's going. So you can say that daily PLN is $35, but actually it's not the pure profit. It's just the fluctuations of your folio, because and the prices of in your folio. So I have a lot of coins in my folio, they're moving, so I'm just the automatic trading system, just open orders, selling orders, making some small profits and so on. But actually on the spot market I have let's see, for example, in my spot wallet I have only $140 USDTs, and all other stuff, all other, you know, coins, I just split it over the, look at this, it's open trades, right? $26, $26, $24. So they will be sold, for example these ones, they would be sold for the 26 or something, but right now they cost less. So you can see this, and oh, my lovely Solanas. So and you can see that they're still here. So this is actually profits that was taken from the trades, yeah, because So how to define your actually your profits from trading, for example, and so on. So I'm usually taking the cumulative BTC trend. So it's 21%, 22% for 30 days, and the cumulative PNL of my current portfolio. So it's 37%. So it's nearly 15% of pure, like I'm calling it pure PNL. So if I would sell all of my assets right now from the spot account, so I will go to the profits, the cumulative profits of 37 percent. But if we will compare it, for example, if I months ago, if I would buy, for example, BTC on the same amount of money and sold it right now, so I would get only 21% profits. So these fluctuations, so the Bitcoin fluctuations, just let us profit on 20%. So, but the pure one is 15% because it's the difference between the cumulative PNL and cumulative BTC trend, right? So if we will compare it within the money flow, so it says it's 481, but if we will open the calculator, so it's very important to understand how much money actually do you have, or how much money do you earn monthly throughout your different instruments. So for example, so I believe that it was 900, so we've just put the 900, something like this. So if we will calculate the 15%, it's 135 bucks, not 481 bucks. But you can say, okay, GeekFi, but you have right now 1,700, so it's nearly plus 1,000, right? And actually for the 30 days it's okay, so it might be true, but I must say that if we will count this one, so it's 346, just because the Bitcoin price we're just raising right now. So I believe this is the fact. So 300 because it's about 20%, right? We've seen the Bitcoin just raise up to more than 20% during the month. So if it will be something like this, 180, right? So you need to understand, so this is not pure profit until you've got it fixed in some coin, right? In some one coin like BTC if you're just true believer, or USDTs if you are just you are not believer, for example, or the market is really bearish, for example, you don't want to buy Bitcoin for the for your DCA strategy, it's too much. Okay, so something interesting is going on. So I wanted to show you some of the stuff right there. So comparing within the how to so I have actually I have some free BNBs that I've bought, you know guys, I have just 2 BNBs right now, and I wanted to make some comparison with several instruments. So the first instrument will be trading, the second will be staking, and staking on centralized service, staking, dual staking, or farming on the Pancake, and of course we will be checking up BNB.WIN, so with the hugest percentage I've just even seen in my life. So we will see if it's come or not, and we will hopefully understand how it's working and if it's working or not. But first of all, I want to share with you a couple of news here today. The first one, it's very bad news for me actually. I don't like it. as many guys in crypto and me are also trying to be a little bit conservative and a little bit incognito, right? But the circle informs clients of IRS inquiry into 20k annual transactions. So transactions, not just the holding, but transactions. So you can 4 times just transact your 5k via the USDC, and you will be under the IRS lookups, right? So numerous advocates of digital currencies report that Circle Internet Financial has been reaching out to its clients about the summons received from the Internal Revenue Service. Circle has stated that it's obliged to submit records concerning the US taxpayers who have engaged into transactions amounting at least 20k annually during the years 2020. So it's amazing, and it's a little bit crazy because 2016, right? 2020. So how they will just count this, I don't know. So Circle Crypto Company and stablecoin issue has been informing the US client via the email about its intention to adhere to summons from the IRS. This summons issued on April 9. But what to do with the guys who just do not want to be disclosed? It's very important stuff here. So guys, if you're using the centralized services, be aware that you will be able, your data will be, go for the authorities if they want to get your data. So, and a lot of hackers can just go for the governmental institutions and take your data. So yes, a few days ago I've just showed the news about how it was going on and what's happened there. So previously Circle offered 2 crypto assets like Bitcoin to its retail customers and briefly owned Polonix. Circle has since ceased both this operation. It no longer possesses Polonix and has discontinued its earlier practice of selling digital currencies to retail investors. So Circle detailed in the emails to clients that it was informing that Circle's plans to comply. Yeah, so you need to understand these guys. Next one is polygons. So why just I'm so bullish in polygons? I've just said to you that the price is pretty much low. So there is a notable surge in whale activity on the Matic network. Such significant movements often is signal for impending price changes. So we could be on the brink of the major Matic price move, guys, because you can see what is done within Solana recent days. So this is this can be this can be a big huge move here from the Matic, because Matic all this summer make a lot of huge steps in development, a lot of huge steps in the partnerships. And what do Solana what does Solana? I don't know. They just made a phone with the airdrop. It's crazy, guys. So I don't know, maybe the price will go downward actually, because this liquidity will be sold, for example. So to correct the price, to go the price beyond I don't know what, and this will be the great chance to buy even more here. Definitely I will do this. If we will return to my folio, and we will get for the risk analysis. So you can see that right now Matic is on the we can put USDTs out and go for the, so we can see that Matic in the third place, still in the third place. So you can imagine that we have pure stuff here, right? So what next? What the opportunities do we have next here? So for saving our BNBs, right? So BNBs, I will show you guys. So BNBs from the April has minus 14%, so it's going up and down. So BNBs are just using, so I've got some plotting stuff here, right? So some of this one, because I'm using dollar cost average strategy here. So but right now I have some spare BNBs, and we will put them into our portfolio just to see what happened next and just to track them out, right? So let's look. Hey, I don't see the likes on my Huobi cup. Is it lagging for me? Wait a little bit. Okay, let's see what's happening. Erase the real home wrecker. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry guys, I haven't seen your comment in the HTX, guys. I'm sorry for that, because my app was a little bit lagging. So sorry if you just write me something down and I haven't been written. So hello Haas, hello Gohan Kar, hello Jackie Ryan, hello Taz. So guys, we are moving next. So today I have two BNBs. Just to put them in something. So the first one will be futures, right? So I will take the futures, and I will put here maybe, okay, I have $8 available, so I will go buy long, isolated. So if you want to go long, so for example, and you just want to try trading with futures, my advice, do not go within the more than 2 or 3x actually. So we will go for this 3x, a little bit risky, and we will buy long, for example. So okay, and okay, we will buy long. So if you are just going, oh, but my region, okay, I've used VPN, so I cannot use this right now. Okay, I will do it a little bit later. Nothing very hard here. So another option, I just told you that we will try to use, for example, Nexo, to get some profits from the BNB. So usual staking is takes up to 8%. So okay, top up. If I do not want to do this, so you need to be verified to do this, right? Okay, maybe we should go and take some more time to do this. So if you do not want to provide your personal information for the centralized services, you can go for the decentralized services, like for example Pancake. So we will see here today the options to put our BNB here. So I like the options with stable coins, of course. So let's go and search farms, for example, for BNB. Okay, so you can get the pools here. So we have seen some of the pairs with Cake BNB, with BUSD BNB. So I do not recommend this because BUSD will not be supported anymore within some long period of time. And you can go with USDT BNB LB. So, and you can go with Mobox, for example, or S Fund or LTC. So, or you can go with the Cyber. You can see the APRs is quite good, but actually, guys, you need to understand that these, in terms of the This is all the altcoins, and they can be pretty much volatile. So guys, be aware of these, of course. Why this is Ethereum and this Ethereum differs with the APR? Interesting. This is different pools, or I don't know. Well, this is different Ethereums. It may be possible, right? So if you are too risky, you can go, for example, with DOT and BNB and just see what's happening. But we will use several options here today. So the first one, we will be using USDT BNB because it's pretty much, I believe it's pretty much solid, right? Okay. So we will need to have 0 USDT, so we will need to buy the USDT. Okay, we will take, for example, some of such reason, for example, or maybe something like this one, 40 bucks, maybe 50, right? So okay, we don't have USDT, so we need some USDTs. Of course, how to do this? Of course, going for the swap, and we can take some of the not cakes. We need USDTs, right? So we have some. Let's take 60, for example, from the BNBs. So it's nearly 0. Okay. Maybe something. Oh. Okay, 76. Confirm this. This action will edit tokens that you're already listed. Okay, but I believe this is the pure USDTs we have, right? So you need to be aware about the what's happened? Oh, it was previous one. Okay, I just put out of the liquidity there. Okay. Let's make this. Let's make this. Okay. So let's go for the. So of course you can go for the perpetuals, and you will be actually getting here long shorts within the decentralized, right? Okay, so let's go for the something just very, I would say, conservative. We go with BNB pairs, so we want to do this one. Yeah, 27%, why not? So okay, we can go for the 50, for example. It's interesting why it's okay, we want to put here 25 maybe. Yeah, we will put 25. It's interesting that So it's rebalancing, right? So it's not working like the previous second version, so you do not put it one-on-one. You can go and set up the price range and make everything. So we will put everything like, I would say, like it's going. We will put 40, for example. Okay. Have we just... Yeah, so we've approved this. So right now we can add the liquidity. Look at this, we're adding the liquidity here. Okay, so we've just put some LPs, right, in pools. Right now we can stake our LPs and get some profit here. Start staking, activate your booster, but we haven't got any cakes. Okay. For example, if I will go with 100k or with, I don't know, 20k, so I will get the not so good, you know, factor right now, actually. You don't need to, you know, if you haven't got much liquidity, you shouldn't go with all the options. So just concentrate on the options you want to make. So we will stake this one. Okay, confirm this. Okay, so we've staked our LPs, and that's it, I believe. So right now we can so how okay, what's going on? Current price, okay. So it's my liquidity, right? And my APR is something like crazy right now, but it will slow down a little bit, so we need just to wait some time, guys. Okay. So what another option here? So we will see if it will be working and how much of the you know, guys, how much money we can earn there within this farming possibility. So you can set up here, so up to 27%. Let's see how it will be going. Okay, so another one option, of course, one of our next options is BNB.WIN, guys. So remember, some of recent days I've just got staked here some money. So just a small disclosure, guys, it's for your own risk because it's high project, 353% APR. So of course we can provide you some you know, the extras, because usually it goes with 316 something. So if you use our code, you will get some more APR, but actually this is This is disclosure. This can be risky. This might be risky because such big percentage, quite risky here. But I will show you all my stakes here right now. So let's go here and see. So I've got first of my stake here, so it was 0.11. Then live, I've just provided, or just before the live, I don't remember. I've provided a little bit more just to check it out. And via the next live, I've provided the rest of the stuff, right? So I've got for several days. So let's see, it was what created. Interesting that it means that it was created like something like today, but actually it wasn't created today. I don't know why it's showing so, but you can see that we've got some rewards here. And all these rewards, it's a total of 0.027. I've put again here, so to make some compound interest. So let's see how much money I've got here. So let's count. 0.27 299. So the price is 200, something like $6, right, for the week of the staking. Oh, sorry, for the week of the staking or something. So, and right now I have just a little bit more here. I believe it's just for the day or something. So I will enlarge my stake, and I will put here 1 BNB. So because I've said to you that I have 2 BNB, so around 1 BNB I've just put in so around the half of BNB, but actually we need to change something, right, and put here, and I want to put some of the here. So I believe that 1 BNB here will be okay. I will be top upping my wallet right now. So this is my address, temporary address, and I will send here my 1 BNB. So you're just sending the BNBs to your account. So let's see. Okay, right now it's pending. I will go back to dashboard and let's okay, the transaction has been filled, but actually sometimes it takes time just to go in here. So okay, so in 1 year my BNB should be going for the 3.5 BNBs, and actually for the 30 days it should be like 0.30 BNBs. So actually if we will count it all together, so it will take at least 3 months, right? 3 months just to get back our BNBs. So quite good percentage. I don't know if it's real or not, guys, but still we're just how would say I've just edited it for several weeks. So, and you can see here my transactions actually. So if you go for the transactions, you can see that I've withdraw so I have to top up it for several times, and I checked the withdrawal function, so it's working, it was completed. So that's why I decided to enlarge my stake today. Okay, it's right now it went here, so I will go for the maximum, So maybe we will be profitable to get these BNBs, and we will be happy to. And you can actually went to the draw. Of course, the draw will be put on January 27. Okay, so I believe we can win something here. Okay, let's do this. Let's take them. Let's take them. Okay. So let's go and manage staking. Right, so it was doing okay. So we've put 1 BNB and some of the, so I believe $2 or $6 here. So actually how you can get more of the BNB, so how you can get more profits is of course to get your percentage put here for the compound interest. I don't know if it's really will boost your account in so huge amount, but actually let's see. For example, right now I have 1.595653. So daily I will get, let's count this, daily I will get 0.0 BNBs, and what, let's count this for this price, for example. So it's $3 a day. Why not? We will take this $3 a day, I believe, and maybe put them into the other crypto, for example, or put them back here, and maybe we will be eligible to get some interesting stuff here. So I'm participating. Okay, so my personal opinion here, so if you risky enough, you can go within the within the 0.1 BNB, so it's something like $25. So something like a lottery ticket. Maybe it will get you profit, maybe not. Why not to check it out? So I've showed the this scheme before, so I haven't got any answer about how this RVA is working, what is advisory counseling, and so on. So actually we've opened the press release. It was showing that they have some of the proof of liquidity, proof of reserves and other stuff. So you can check out my previous live stream within the reviewing these guys, but actually I haven't got any answer about how it's achieved, but still it's working. While it's working, so we have a chance to get some profits here. So my point here, so if you've got 30% a month, so you need 3 months to get your money back, and this is quite a good opportunity for you guys to get some profits here actually. So I believe that it's a very nice opportunity to get here, and actually we will check every week. We will check, for example, okay, let's see, actually 1.6. So every week I will get something like $25, guys. So we can really make some profits. So take a look here, maybe you will be lucky, but guys, again, disclosure, it can be risky because we don't know when they will be closing these amazing opportunities. We will be watching for why it's inactive. Okay. So maybe we need to go for the, okay, let's go for the trade. Let's take some of our BNBs and go for the cakes maybe? Okay, let's swap them. So let's just test it out. Do we have any cakes right now? Okay, we've got some cakes. Let's go for the cake staking. Our 11 cakes will go for the... Let's put for, I don't know, 4 years, guys? We believe in 4 years, why not? Let's go and lock these cakes. And maybe... Okay, let's approve them. Okay, let's see what happened with these cakes during this stuff. So you need to make a lot of check rewards. Next distribution in 6 days, okay. Update your staking in order to start earning from the product learning, sure. So you can go for the votings. So for example, go for the cake BNB, for example, and vote here, and so on. Okay. So let's go for the earn, let's go for the farms. We're in the early stage of Web3 deployment due to the lack of historical data. Numbers estimates can be inaccurate. So okay, we will check it later. So we will check these 2 opportunities, and we will go for the Nexo as well and check them out. So and maybe we will be profitable. So guys, put in the comments what do you think is more profitable. So actually I believe you can provide us any more opportunities to stake your BNBs, or for example trade your BNBs, and making some predictions. So okay, let's go for the perpetuals actually. Okay, let's go for the perpetuals. Now let's go for the BNB USD. Okay, stop loss, take profit. You can take this. So this is axis. As far as I said, 3 axis is fair enough. None of these. Slippage. Okay, let's connect the wallet. Let's take, for example, 80-20, for example, right? Okay, increase authorization amount. We can go with 40. No. Okay. In 3 acts, The minimum principal is 67 USDTs. Okay, let's go with this 2. Okay, less we're taking, more. Oh, it's too much. It's too risky, right? 11. Okay. Let's test this out. Liquidation price 200. So let's go for this, something like this one. But actually the Bitcoin price should be going down actually. And we can see that right now the trend is downwards because the support line is here. So too much stuff here. So okay, let's go. What is the GAN? Oh, dump. Okay. Yeah, so this is 60 seconds. Okay. We will not go for the dump mode or degen mode. Okay, we will test it later. So guys, I believe you like our stream. So it was a little bit, you know, shorter than usual, but I believe that you will find out some of the crazy moments here. So take your chances to stake or to trade your favorite crypto. See you, I believe I will see you tomorrow if we will be lucky. And yeah, bye bye. Love you all. See you maybe tomorrow.